Whiteboy J. Got another unboxing here of 180 grain, 250 count, 40S&W, 40 caliber rounds from Ammo Valley. Got it from Ammo-Thx. And I pulled one out here. Take a look at that. Pretty nice quality for some remanufactured rounds. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera in view for you. But anyway, $50 plus shipping, which is like $10 or $15, so about $60, $65 for 250 count of 180 grain, 250 round count. That's a good deal from Ammo Valley through Ammo-Thx. They're not a sponsor of mine or nothing. I just do this for fun. Anyway, it's Whiteboy J with another unboxing. As you can see, they packed it pretty well. You're remanufactured, 180 grain, 250 count, remanufactured, 40 Smith & Wesson rounds. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys.